So that's our 115. Use a magic and ta-da! Our number block 115. Now it's time to use a magic to see its face just like this. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to explore our number block 111 to 120. The first character is 111. Well, we build 111 into first 100 blocks into 10 by 10 square, and then we build 11 blocks more, which lays 10 blocks wide. Okay, number block 111 could also split into 3 lots of 37s, which has 3 eyes, because 1, 1, 1. 3, same number in 3 digits. Okay, now we got number block 100. And then we add 10 white blocks more to make 110. And then we need to add 1 red block more to make 111. Now we got 111. Okay, I think I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. We got 111 space. And then we need to attach the numbering, so we got our number block 111. Okay, the next character is 112. We build 112 into 8 by 14 rectangle formation, because according to the number block 14 times table, number block 112 is also split into 8 lots of 14s, which this shape is common for me, you know. Yeah, and 112 has the octoblock's mask, because number block 112 signifies that the left one, which is the number block 14's color pattern, to represent 14, and the pink one to represent 8, which means 14 times 8 is 112. Time to use a magic to see the face just like this. We got 112 space. Now we need to put the numbering, so that's our number block 112. The next character is 113. We build 113 into 10 by 10 square for 100 blocks, and 13 blocks we lay into 10 blocks wide, and 3 yellow blocks I put it at the center and at the right. However, number block 113 is the prime number and has the special shape, which is the rhombus sign. However, I don't build that sign a shape because I want to make it simple, you know. And normal number block 113 wears crown to represent 3 in a whole, because it has 3 yellow blocks in a whole 113 blocks. Well, I think I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. Here's our number block 113. And then we need to put the numbering onto it, and that's our number block 113. Okay. The next character is our number block 114. 114 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 10 white blocks, including 4 green blocks. We build into 6 by 19 rectangle formation. According to number block 19 times table, 114 splits into 6 lots of 19s. Well, which has the crazy shaped eyes just like number block 19. That's why I built into this shape. Okay, we need to put it evenly. Oops, sorry. We need to put it evenly and properly. Be careful, the blocks couldn't stuck. You have to put it. You need more force and more strength. Okay, so that's our number block 114. Now, it's time to use a magic again. Why? Because to show the number block 114's face. Well, we show just like this. Now we got 114 space, and then we need our numbering to signify the name, so that's our number block 114. The next character is our number block 115. We build just like 111 and 113, because number block 115 doesn't have any divisors. Just only 1, 5, 23, and 115. 115 could split into 5 lots of 23s, which has star-shaped eye at the left eye. Also, our number block 115 could split into 5 lots of 23s, which has the chromosome sign. According to Numberblock 23 times tables game, we see Numberblock 23 collects all the chromosomes. So, which means that I have to put the chromosome sign to signify 23 divisors. So that's our 115. Use some magic and ta-da! Our number block 115. We need to put a number in, and that's our number block 115. The next character is 116. We build into 9 by 13 rectangle formation. However, number block 116 is not a full rectangle because we build 9 by 13. We got 117 according to 13 times table. But we have one block gap, which means that 117 minus one block gap equals 116. So that's our number block 116. Oh, it doesn't stuck very well. Anyways, I think I'm going to use some magic to see the face just like this. That's our 116. Don't forget it's numbering. So we got our number block 116. The next character is 117. This time it's a full rectangle, unlike number block 116, because number block 116 are 17 because 117 is made out of 9 lots of 13s, according to number block 13 times table. Alright, number block 117 is the unlucky number because he splits into 9 lots of 13s. How unlucky he is. So that's our number block 117 shape. Now, I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. There's the unlucky face. So that's our number block 117. The next character is 118. Well, we built just like 116 and 117, but this time it has one block left over, which means that we need to add one more block. So 117 plus 1 equals 118. However, number block 118 is not a fully rectangle, not another rectangle, because we got one block left over, Yeah. Anyways, number block 118 is the painter because he could split into 2 lots of 59s. And 59 is the painter because 59 is the 17th member of the painter club, which has a clock. We count from 0 to 59. Okay, that's our number block 118 shape. Now, it's time to use a magic to see its face just like this. That's our 118 space. But don't forget its numbering. So, that's our 118. The next character is 119. 119 I built into 7 by 17 rectangle formation according to number block 17 times table. Okay, number block 119 could split into 7 lots of painters, lucky painters, which means that number block 119 loves to paint and very lucky, which is the rainbow, which has the rainbow eyebrows to represent 7 lots of 17s. So that's our number block 119 shape. Now, I think I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. However, number block 119 has the rainbow eyebrows. Don't forget to put in numbering, so that's our 119. Okay, the last character is 120. 120 is made of 100 red tone blocks and 20 peach blocks, which means that 120 is made out of 120. Also, number block 120 is also made out of 10 lots of 12s, has a similar face to 12, and wears the step shape mask because number block 120 is the 15th member of the step shape club, which color looks like number block 15 color pattern. Okay, we build overall just like that. And then I'm going to use the last magic because the last face just like this. The last number block, 120. Our numbering, we put it like this, and that's our 120. Also, today's video is the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed our number block 111 to 120. So see you again next time, fans. Bye bye.